Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the comparison between LM Studio versus WebUI. So LM Studio is a powerful desktop app that allows you to download, run, and interact with open source LLMs like Llama, Mistral, or Gemma, all offline. It offers an easy interface for running interference with GPU or CPU. On the other hand, OpenWebUI is a browser-based interface for managing local LLMs. It connects to OpenLlama or other models' backends and provides a slick chat experience, prompt templates, and customization. So let's compare both of them. Number one, setup and interface. LM Studio is a standalone app, super easy to install and use well, while OpenWebUI is browser-based and requires backend setup with Olama or other local runtimes. Number two, model management. LM Studio includes model downloads and configuration in just one app, while OpenWebUI works with whatever backend you set. It's more flexible, but it requires manual setup. Number three, features. OpenWebUI offers better prompt customization system instructions and plugin support, while LM Studio keeps things simple and fast, ideal for quick usage or testing. Number four, performance. Both of them runs models locally using your CPU or GPU. LM Studio may consume more resources as a native app, while OpenWebUI can scale with your backend settings. So for final verdict, you can use LM Studio if you want a plug-and-play desktop AI tool for LLMs, and you can pick OpenWebUI if you want maximum control, customization, and integration flexibility. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.